Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to do a quick install on the Britpart cargo tray for the new Defender. It's really simple. Take out a couple bolts, put in a couple bolts, and boom, you've got some extra storage. So let's dive right into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get it, you're going to open it up. You're gonna notice you get two metal plates and a bag of hardware. These metal plates go in the inside first, and I'll show you where they go. All right, what we wanna do is get 4 of these bolts out. I already got this one loose. They're a T30 Torx. There's 1, 2, and then the exact same thing on the other side. It's what's used to hold the privacy shade if you have it. So just get your T30 Torx on there and back them up. Key thing to note is there is a left and a right to these little brackets. The right hand side is shown right here on the right hand side, and you'll notice this little mounting hole is farther back away from the mounting hole here. So the one up close, or up front rather, is a little bit closer than the one towards the back of the car. So this will be your right hand side, this will be your left hand side, and it's always as you're sitting in the vehicle. Simply set that up there and tighten everything down with the original Torx. Just repeat the same steps for the left-hand side. Get this on, and then we'll move to the basket. Next thing you want to do is set the tray in. I fold the seats down and wiggle it in very carefully. You don't want to hit the headliner or scuff anything on the interior. Also, quick note, this shape right here, the deeper section goes towards the front of the vehicle, the shorter section goes to the back. This allows you to have easier access to the basket. All right, next up, let's crack into the hardware kit. Britpart gives you Allens to put in to hold their brackets. I prefer to use the stock Torx. That's just me. If you want to use the Allens, go right ahead. And then they give you these other Allens right here with washers. We're going to use those to hold down the basket to the little supports. Super easy. Next step would be to line up the hole in the mounting bracket to the hole in the tray. Get your Allen with a washer. It's a number 4 metric Allen head that you're gonna need. Oh boy, struggling here, trying to hold the phone and put it together. There we go, got that one started. So I'm gonna do the other 3, and once they're all in, we'll tighten them down. With all 4 of the bolts started, tighten everything down once you have it maneuvered. Not that there's much maneuverability, get it in place, tighten it down. Little pro tip, run the bolts through the powder coating on the metal brackets. Gave me a hard time, saw me struggling trying to start it with one hand. So that's all there is to it. Tighten it down and you're done.